there's a huge amount of demand from consumers for healthier products, and berries are right at the top of the list when it comes to fruits that can improve your diet and improve your health.
This is the third time we are exhibiting. There's time to speak, there's time to see all these nice expositions of the people, the speeches. So it's a good combination. I think it's very dynamic, and I think this is what people appreciate.
I like the balance between growers and marketeers here, retailers, so it's really a well-balanced group of people.
We knew berries were popular, but we really didn't appreciate quite how much energy there is in the business at the moment. We've had a staggering response. Loads of people turning up to come and find out more about where this fantastic category is going.
It's the first time that we've attended. It's been a great platform for us to present our new products.
It gives people a more complete view on the industry.
It's a very important space to be in, and particularly the topics that are discussed here are really interesting for a wide variety of people.
If you want to be present in the berry sector, this is the key point where you see the new and the fresh ideas that are coming yearly, and it's very interesting.